Namaskar everyone. My name is Arvind Kumar Kuhar. I am um, live again to do your readings for today. As I always have, I have angel cards with me. I have Bhagavad Gita oracle cards with me, and I have, as well as I have Prashna Aapke Uttar Sai Baba ke. This is a book, so which is with me, which I use for this readings. So by the time you join in, let me tell you about the numerological angle of this day, which is 20th of um, अप्रैल 2020 20 अप्रैल 2020 विच इज़ बेसिकली सन एनर्जी. सूर्य की एनर्जी प्रेवलेंट है आज. सूर्य की एनर्जी आज सूर्य आया नहीं है दिल्ली में. इट्स क्लाउडी स्काई टुडे. एंड सूर्य मतलब आपकी ईगो. सूर्य मतलब पिता. सूर्य मतलब राजा. Which means that you need to pray to the Lord Sun. And I made some notes before this video started. So it's basically, I was listening to Jumani, who is a well-known numerologist. So the thing he was telling about sun means greenery, sun means balcony. If you cannot go out in sunlight, you can go, stand in your balconies. You can pray Om Suryaya Namaha, or bring in light in your life as well as somebody else's life. Act as throw light, act as a guide, and worship Lord Sun for today. So as per 20th of April 2020, it's Lord Sun. So let's take out what the cards say, what are the angels are telling us to do. So the first card is Five of Air. Five of Air is basically, air element is your thoughts. So it is an unwise choice. Like I was asking the question, is it a good choice to open the lockdown on 3rd of May? That will be an unwise choice. We will think that things will improve, but they will not. As per astrology, Venus will retrograde on 18th of May till 28th of May. There'll be very high death ranges will go that time, because people will think that they have cured. Learn what you can from the situation. It's a time where you need to learn, and you need to review everybody's motive before taking any kind of decisions. So the next card is Three of Water, which is again number 3rd of May. I was asking question about 3rd of May, which is Three of Water. Three of Water, that people will celebrate, they will start weddings, there'll be birth announcements, that they will think that they need to have more fun. But you know what? Ace of Water came, which says that they will fall in love, there'll be spiritual growth, there'll be enhanced intuition, there'll be new home warming parties, and that kind of party stuff will go on. But non-violence is the key. You cannot go violent. You cannot start eating non-veg. You cannot start, non-violence doesn't mean killing somebody. Non-violence means you should not hurt anybody, even with your words and thoughts. So after that, what the angels are saying, use your imagination and you will see the answer. Basically, it means that you need to pray that, dear God, thank you for granting me the wisdom and creativity to see your miracles in the new and unexpected ways. I gradually and gracefully accept and appreciate your help in the situation where India is fighting with Corona 2019. So it is a time to leave this unhealthy situation. The prayer is, Archangel Michael, what parts of my life do I need to focus on more closely right now, because I have time. Thank you for helping me hear your answers and giving me the courage to have healthy changes in my life. The last thing which came was number 7. Number 7 is Neptune. Yes, let me refer to my notes, because like his science was different from mine. Yeah, it is Neptune. Is a psychic number. It says that we need to concentrate on yoga, we need to concentrate on our sixth sense, we need to teach yoga, mobile, Skype, all these things we need to focus on. It is an important achievement, self-discipline and willpower, public recognition. I think in some states it will go to 7th of May, because number 7 came as a chariot. Means government is thinking to extend the lockdown till 7th of May. Guys, that could be the decision. I have not heard about it. Maybe my cards are saying it would be still 7th of May. So basically what Sai Baba says from the kitab प्रश्न आपके उत्तर साईं बाबा के, he is saying Okay, I selected something. ओके मन को स्थिर व शांत रखें, जल्दबाजी और बौखलाहट में काम खराब होते हैं, श्री साईं सिमरन नित्य करें, शीघ्र ही सुधार नजर आ जाएगा। अगेन इस स्वार्थ से ऊपर उठिए, परमार्थ व त्याग को अपनाइए, इष्ट को समर्पित रहिए, अजनबियों से भी सहयोग प्राप्त होने लगेगा और काम बनते जाएंगे। हट छोड़ दें, सफलता मिलेगी, दान पुण्य रखें करें, यश प्राप्त होगा, भक्ति में ही शांति छुपी है। अन्न व वस्त्रों का दान असहाय और पीड़ितों के लिए करें, बहुत समय से रुका हुआ काम सिद्ध हो जाएगा। आस्था के साथ प्रभु भक्ति करें, रोटी कपड़ा मकान की समस्या हल होगी, आवश्यकताएं अधिक न बढ़ाएं। सो दिस इज व्हाट द यूनिवर्स इज टेलिंग ऑल ऑफ अस। और अभी आई वुड लाइक टू गो इनटू दिस कोविड-19 थिंग। एवरीबडी सेइंग कोविड-19 कोविड-19 कोविड-19। एज पर न्यूमरोलॉजी, कोविड-19 basically resonates with a number which is okay, which is number 40, which is Rahu, and it means isolation. It basically means depression. It means staying away, loneliness from your family. Rather, we should call it Corona 2019. So it will resonate to number 6, which is Venus. So it will bring in which is planet of love, planet of care, planet of family. So it will break that. Year 2020 is isolation year, which is 22. But we will see a shift in India in second half of the year, because it's 75th year of independence, which is 7 plus 5 is 3. India will go into a level which will be Dharm Guru. So it will be second half of the year in India, we will see the change. It will be in June. Till the time we need to fight, and it is not a good decision to open the mostly, because Narendra Modi ji is definitely consulting some astrologer or numerologist or somebody who is very good psychic. So I don't think on 3rd of May your lockdown will open. It will go to 7th of May, and after that it might get extended till May end. Because June 5th, as I always told you, Rahu will be 90% deactivated, debilitated by 90%. So it will break Sharastak Yoga. Okay, then June 5th will be much, much better. So as per me, June 5th or July, it will go in phases. Okay, so it will be good if we can stay at home till 5th of June. But second half of the year will be very good for India, because it is sun. So it is, if we talk about the primary numbers, like how those next years will go, like 2021, it would be 2 plus 2 plus 1, which is number 5, which is Mercury. It will be very good for India in terms of business. 2022, which is 75th year, after the which would be it would be it would be right now it's 73rd year, but 2022 would be 75th year, which will be number 3, and 2022 is 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 6, which is 3 plus 6 is 9. 3 and 6 are resonating well together. So it is basically Sone ki Chidiya kind of environment which is becoming, which our beloved Prime Minister always says that Bharat Sone ki Chidiya banega. 2022 में आपको ये changes ज़रूर दिखाई देंगे. चाइना में ये जो चीज़ शुरू हुई, because China resonates with number 15, which is a very bad number, which is villain of the piece. It is resonating with number 4 and number 8. It started in 2015, where there was a China bubble burst happened in Paris. It was 2015. It was again Paris resonates with number 15, which is number 6. So attack happened to Paris when 5 plus 1, 6 plus 2, 8. Basically 15 resonated with 8. China resonated with 4. So there was a Paris attack. So 15 cannot resonate well with 4 and 8. So COVID is 2020, which is 4. 2002, which is 4, which is SARS happened, that again epidemic happened that year. So 3rd of April, if you go into the again the time and date, 3rd of April there was announcement by Mr. Narendra Modi, which was 9 days away from 23rd of March. And he asked on 5th of April. It was basically a combination of 3, 6 and 9. He came on 3rd April at 9 a.m. for 9 minutes, and he asked on 5th of April for 9 p.m. for 9 minutes to raise the to lit up the diyas, which basically means that Mars, which is very, very active, he is trying to put it down. So 2403, which is 23rd of March, which happened, it was number 6, which was Venus. And after 9 days, on 3rd April came when Narendra Modi came live on 9 a.m. So COVID-19, do not call it COVID-19. It will resonate with number 440, which is basically lonely, isolation from the family. Call it COVID 2019. And then it will resonate with number 43. It will resonate with number 42, which will be number 6, which is number of peace, harmony, and passion in the family. And Corona resonates with number 7, which is 43, which is catastrophe, tragedy number. So basically, you need to bring in COVID 2019, which is 33, which is number 6, which is Venus of love, energy, harmony, luxury. 2020, which resonates with 22. It is a very feverish tiger attacking somebody who is sleeping, and suddenly attackers are there and the person is in danger. So always try to understand that numbers are very, very important. 2020 markets crashed. It is not a prosperous year, but for India it is, because it's 73rd year of the independence, where it's 7 plus 3 is 1, which is sun. And with this, there'll be a lot of prosperity. But in June, May 3rd, lockdown will not open at all. It will get extended till May 7th, because as per my card, it is a chariot came, which is number 7. It might go to July also. Okay, June end, July starting. And as per my cards, mandirs, Shirdi Sai Baba, Tirupati Balaji, all these mandirs will open in July only. I can see the dates. Right now I don't have. Mandirs will open in July, so be very, very happy. It would be May, June. You need to do meditations at home. Work on your own self. That's what Sai Baba is saying through this kitab. आस्था के साथ प्रभु भक्ति करें, रोटी कपड़ा मकान की समस्या हल होगी, आवश्यकताएं अधिक न बढ़ाएं, अपनी सेविंग्स पर फोकस करिए, श्री साईनाथ के नाम पर भूखों को ज़रूर भोजन करवाएं, कांच और हीरे में अंतर को पहचानें, कभी भी हीरे की चमक को देख के उसके पीछे ना भागें, नए सदस्य का परिवार में आगमन होगा, 5 व्यक्तियों की सहायता से काम होगा, सर्व संपन्न और पूर्ण कार्य वही है जो मन का वश में करके संतुष्टि के साथ किया जाए, आराधना और प्रार्थना से मन और आत्मा को बल बढ़ता है, धैर्य और संतोष प्राप्त होते हैं, अतः इष्ट की आराधना करें, सकारात्मक परिणाम मिलेंगे, श्री साईं बाबा के चरण कमलों में शरण लें, भय व चिंता से मुक्ति मिलेगी, अहम से युक्त होकर मतभेदों से दूर रहें, अगर आपके लाइफ में कुछ मतभेद हो रहे हैं उनसे दूर रहें, सब अपने आप ठीक हो जाएगा, साईं बाबा का सिमरन करें, गुरु की शरण ले, अकड़ व अभिमान को छोड़कर समर्पण को अपनाएं, खेत में बिखरे दाने चींटी अपने आप चुग लेती है, हाथी उन्हें चुग नहीं पाता है, अतः छोटा बनो, इसी में महानता है, इसी में सफलता है। इस चीज़ के साथ मैं अपना नंबर हर रोज़ शेयर करता हूँ आपके साथ जब भी मैं लाइव आता हूँ। अगर आपको कोई भी दिक्कत है, कोई भी परेशानी है और आप मुझसे पर्सनल कंसल्टेशन करना चाहते हैं तो आप मुझे व्हाट्सएप कर सकते हो, अपना डेट ऑफ बर्थ, अपना नाम और अपनी लेटेस्ट फ़ोटोग्राफ। उसके बाद मेरा 1 दिन का पर्सनल सेशन होगा और 21 दिन फिर मैं आपको रेमेडीज़ के लिए गाइड करूँगा व्हाट्सएप पे। सो विद दिस stay safe, stay at home. Serving is, care is always helping somebody. Always try to help somebody. एक बाहर कुत्ता अगर रोटी खाने आता है तो वो भी प्रभु रूप हो सकता है। बाहर गायें आती है तो अपने आप को सौभाग्यशाली समझो कि इतने लॉकडाउन के बीच में भी कुछ प्राणी ऐसे ज़रूर हैं जो हमारी प्रॉब्लम्स को दान के रूप में ज़रूर लेके जाते हैं। विद दिस मैसेज, थैंक यू सो मच। ओम साईं राम।